Come back, history fans. Got another one for you here. This time we're talking about primary sources. What is a primary source? Well, a primary source is an immediate first-hand account of topics, or of a topic, from people that had direct connection with it. In other words, somebody or something that saw the event. Okay, that can include a text of laws or other original documents. You never know. Of course, you got newspaper reports by the reporters who witnessed the event, not by somebody who heard about it from somebody else and then what we call curated the story. Meaning, I've taken stuff from other sources and now I'm going to interpret it myself and put it back out. All right, it's based on the people that actually saw it and reported what specifically happened. Okay, speeches, diaries, pictures. All right, items that were left there can be primary sources. All right. If we're talking about 9/11, the actual building and what was left of it would be a primary source. Okay. Um, uh, Conversely, a secondary source is something where they've taken usually primary sources and use that to research and then produce their own things. So everything that you're producing is a secondary source. What you have didn't witness, what you're going to produce didn't witness the building collapse itself. All right, so it's a secondary source as far as this goes. But you're using hopefully primary sources to get that. Now, that's the thing. Secondary sources aren't necessarily bad. History.com right here, September 11th attacks. This is going to have a full rundown of stuff that happened. All right here. You got literally a full rundown of exactly what happened. But this isn't a primary source because it's giving you information. It's an overview. It's not this thing that was actually there. It's taking all the different sources of information that it had, compiling it here, and bringing it into a useful form for you. Now, conversely, darn ads, get out of there, ad. September 11th by photos. Now, this is an undoctored photo, or undoctored photos we're going to see. So right here, you can see exactly what's going on, all right? And you can make inferences based on that. That is a picture of it happening. Therefore, you can make your own judgments about what's going on. This actually is a primary source in this case, all right? Even though it comes from the same website that I just said wasn't a primary source, all right? You can see more primary sources, the pictures, right? Here's another one. Great story that is probably based on a whole bunch of accounts of what happened, or even just one account of what happened. The article says what happened on Capitol Hill on 9/11. Well, this is going to be a rundown of all these different things. It's a curated article, meaning the person that wrote it for Time Magazine took a lot of different points of view and put them together into this one article. This one here, though, these are true first-hand accounts, and we know it says right there. When you hear people saying I, we, us, they're making it personal, right? I am a native New Yorker, born and raised in Brooklyn. I've spent my adult life in NYC. The younger one afternoon, yada. Okay. I was sleeping on the inn on September 11th. I was wakened by around 9:15 by the sound of fire engines. Lots of them. Okay. Someone telling their story. That's the difference. Hope that clears that up for you. If you have questions, let me know.